Alright, this is Don with Olmec Reflections. We're back at you. This is, I think, the third short part of the video, but we're looking off into that room where we had all the stuff on the floor, and it's looking tons better. So a little bit of paint, plaster, whatever it was on the floor. It come up pretty good. We've done 2 passes on it so we can get down into the deep fibers of the carpet. So that room is looking pretty good. We'll cut the light off on that. And then over in here, as you can probably see in the first video, we moved the mattress, we cleaned all there, we moved the couch out, we moved everything. Everything has been moved and moved back in or moved. So all this stuff has been moved, and the only thing we've got to do is our little path going out. We don't like to leave footprints in it, and we try to take all those marks out as much as we can with a groomer. Some people call it a rake, we call it a groomer. It's a tool device that takes all those lines out. We just don't like them to dry into the carpet, so they'll be gone here in a minute. So we're gonna finish up. As you can see, right there is where I have not done yet. Over there we've moved all this stuff. All the stuff has been moved. So we're gonna finish up and get the stairs done and get up out of here. Got any carpets? Give Olmec Reflections a call, 513-817-1700, olmecreflections.com. Check us out on our YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, tweet, whatever, all them social media sites, anything that's new that we might be doing. So just check us all up. It'll be underneath the Olmec label. So give us a call, guys. We'll take care of you. All right, see you.